Two stations due south of a leaning tower which leans towards north are at a distances A and B from its foot. If x and y are the angles of elevations of the top of the tower from these stations, then its inclination theta to the horizontal is given by cot theta equals to. First, understand the problem. The words are confusing. See here, this is a tower. This is leaning tower, right? Like you see in that pizza, right? Leaning tower. Now this is leaning towards north. So south will be on the other side. So what is there? Two stations due south means they are on the opposite side of the leaning, right? So they are over here. Point number 1 and point number 2. Now they are at a distances A and B. Let this be A and let this be B. If x and y are the angles, means these x, the point which is at A has an angle x, the point which is at B has an angle y. Remember, important part is this is leaning towards north and these are towards the opposite side. Okay. Now once you understand this, then the problem becomes easier. So A, B, that is given, x is given, y is given. This height h, let's assume this height as h and let this distance be p, small p. Okay. So let's we have to find cot theta. Okay, this theta, cot theta. Okay, and this is the theta. Theta is of the leaning tower. This angle is of the leaning tower. Okay, so cot theta we have to find out. Tan theta equals to what? H upon p. H upon p. Okay, so p equals to what? H upon tan theta. That is h cot theta. Right? That much is clear. Point number 1. Then tan x equals to what? This is tan x. What is that? H upon a plus p, right? This is small a and this is p, right? Therefore a plus p equals to h upon tan x. Okay, so therefore a plus p. Now what is p now? So h cot theta. Therefore a plus h cot theta, this one, equals to h upon tan x. So make it cot x. So a equals to h cot x minus h cot theta, right? This much is clear. A. Now about y. Tan y equals to, see here, tan y equals to h upon b plus p, h upon b plus p, right? Therefore h upon b plus what is p? H cot theta, right? Okay. So cross them. B plus h cot theta equals to h upon tan y. This tan y comes down, b plus h cot theta on the other side. So this becomes cot y, right? Therefore b plus h cot theta equals to h cot y. Okay. Therefore b equals to what? Take h cot theta on the other side. B equals to h cot y minus h cot theta, right? That's what. Okay. Next. Therefore a upon b equals to what? H into cot x minus cot theta, right? Here we got it, a upon h into cot y minus cot theta. H is gone, right? Cot x minus cot theta upon cot y minus cot theta. That is a upon b. Now solve this. Therefore a cot y minus a cot theta, cross them, equals to b cot x minus b cot theta. Okay, we want theta. Focus on theta only. So a cot y minus b cot x, take on other side and cot theta on the other side, equals to a cot theta minus b cot theta, right? Okay. So cot theta into a minus b equals to, see this, cot theta, see here, this x is on the other side, theta is on the other side. I have taken theta on left hand side and x and y on the right hand side because we want theta. You can take it anything anywhere, but the point is keep all of them at the same place. So cot theta into a minus b equals to this one, a cot y minus b cot x, right? Therefore cot theta equals to a upon b, a minus b comes below, a cot y minus b cot x upon a minus b. That is the required answer, or check what is given in the exam, the options, or you can write it b cot x minus a cot y upon b minus a, one and the same. Or if it's given in the exam in terms of sin cos, then convert this to sin cos. But generally this much is kept as a answer in the exams. Okay. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sync behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So, keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.